Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Yes, I'm still working with these titles. This one is the truth about affiliate marketing exposed, but this is still the Super Affiliate Network. Now, we're continuing with Boot Camp 7 and starting with Boot Camp 8. Okay? These boot camps seems to be going pretty quickly now, so just hang with me, okay? And yes, I am still speaking for my coach, Misha Wilson, and this is what he has taught me. So let's get started. One tactic will make complete and total sense for one individual based on having an analytical brain. Other tactics make complete and total sense for the other individual based on the fact that they don't have an analytical brain. But maybe they are better in sales, maybe they're better with influence, just like myself. Actually, you overwhelm the individual. You don't give the individual a clear place for them to go ahead and start. The best thing that you can do for your new member is plug them into our system with getting them ready for daily calls, inner circle coaching calls on a weekly basis. Get them signed up with their coach so they can get started with the boot camp laws. And we're talking about the new members, and that was from the previous video. So if you haven't watched it, please go back and watch it. So as we end this video, go ahead and set up with these assignments. Set up your e-wallet account so you can get paid. Complete all of the steps required. Now, under Bootcamp 7, that's where you can set up your e-wallet account. Okay, it's all there ready for you just to plug in all your personal information and get set up with it. Okay, get registered for the inner circle and daily freedom calls, and then attend them, please. Then watch all of the super affiliate law training modules. Now, let's get started with Bootcamp 8. The 5 laws of scaling your profits and the 4 stages of growth, plus how to unlock effortless 2,000, 3,500, and 5,500 commissions as a super affiliate network partner. Congratulations on making it this far. What you'll learn is the 5 laws of scaling your online profits. Rule number 1, each growth phase will require a specific set of unique skill sets. Rule number 2, what got you here won't necessarily get you there. Rule number 3, 20% of your activities will always produce 80% of your results. Rule number 4, the amount of money you make will be directly proportionate to the amount of value you provide and the number of offers you have. Rule number 5, hard work can only get you so far. The only 3 things you should focus for maximum impact, the 4 critical stages of growth behind $1 million business. Traffic, conversion, economics. Perry Marshall's tactical triangle, and I did speak on the tactical triangle a couple of videos back, so you can go back and watch that if you need to. The stages of growth, startup, when you're solely leveraging other people's system and funnels, you don't have control over anything yourself. 6 figures, when you've taken control of one highly optimized custom sales funnel and are generating leads profitably, but you're still selling other people's products and services. Multiple 6 figures, when you've taken control of all 3 high impact sales funnel and have them all working together in a systematic fashion, but you're still selling other people's products and services. 7 figures, you've taken control of the entire sales process and are selling your own unique products and services that serve as your own unique solutions and marketplace. How to effortlessly earn big 2,000, 3,500, and 5,500 commissions without doing any additional work. And don't forget, don't stop watching these videos, you guys. Don't give up. Just once you purchase the Super Affiliate Network for $1, it will all make sense. You'll get to understand what I'm talking about in these slides. So just hang with me, please. Now, let's talk about emails. On average, you make $1 per month per subscriber on your email list. 1,000 subscribers equal $1,000 per month. 5,000 subscribers equal $5,000 per month. 10,000 subscribers equal $10,000 per month. The only 3 funnels you'll ever need to scale to 6 and even multiple 6 figures. Let's talk about sales funnel number 1, the super affiliate opt-in funnel. There's the opt-in funnel, there's the bridge page, and there's the affiliate offer. Also, personally branded email follow-up campaign. And you'll get to see all these once you sign up with the Super Affiliate Network for only $1. One of our opt-in capture page says free, simple 4-step I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It's free, simple 4-step formula that unlocks 9 red-hot income streams and reveals how you can make $2,187.87 on complete autopilot in just 7 days. Click below for instant access now. Get instant access. This is a free service and credit card is not required. Yes, we're at the end of this video, my faithful YouTube friends. I'm so grateful that you stopped by to watch this one. I really am. So please continue. Don't give up. Just hang in there with me, okay? And you will start making money. Now, don't forget to click on this link or copy. If you copy it, open it up in a new browser and learn all about the Super Affiliate Network. How you can purchase it for $1 and then just keep upgrading. And if you even have any questions, please put it down in the comments below. I'll never know unless you put some comments down in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. All right. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.